Hello guys. So in the upcoming series of videos we gonna have a course about Android development. In this first video we gonna install Android Studio. Set up the emulator. So for my system I am running Fedora Linux 40. First we open the Android Studio archive, you find the link in the description. So there we have Android 2024.2.1 patch 1 ladybug. We pick Linux. Wait for download to end. After that we go to our downloads directory. Copy the downloaded file. Then I will make a directory called programming. This step is not mandatory but it just keeps your Android Studio stuff in one place. Then after that we passed our downloaded file in it. Next type ls to list directories. After that we extract the tar.gz file using the tar command. Next we open the Android Studio directory, then we go to the bin directory, open the terminal inside it, and then we execute the studio.sh file inside the bin directory. Now let's set up our SDK. Press next. After that in the programming directory I will make another directory to store all the SDK files inside of it, then we click next. Accept the license agreement. Then click next. Then we wait for the download to end, then press finish. Now let's set up the emulator. We click on New Project and pick Empty Views Activity, then click Next. Then if you want to change the name of your project you can change it here. I am not gonna do it this time. I am just going to create a directory to store my Android projects. Change the minimum SDK to API 29 for Android 10, then click on Finish. Now we wait for the importing of the Gradle file. Now as you can see, here is our workspace. Let's go to Device Manager. This should be empty for you, don't mind those devices. Click on Create Virtual Device. Pick the phone you want. I am going to pick Pixel 4. I would advise you pick that too, but you do what you want. Then I click Next. Now let's download the system image. I am going to pick Upside Down Cake for Android 14. Let's wait for the download to finish, then we click Next. Now we click on Show Advanced Settings to add storage to your emulator. Let's put 10 GB in the internal storage. Now let's try to run it to make sure everything is good. As you can see, here is our hello world, so the system works perfectly. If you see the same on your screen as me, then congratulations, you installed it properly. On the next video we will start learning and tinkering with our new toy. See you on the next video. Bye.